Choosing a stone shape is half the battle when picking your engagement ring. Let's talk about the top 4 ring cuts. Can you guess what they are? If you love the vintage aesthetic, PEAR shapes were made for you. This cut dates back to the 1400s and has consistently stayed at the top of the engagement ring list since then. It's not hard to see why. If you're looking for something that breaks away from tradition and is more modern and geometrical, a ring with a princess cut stone is calling your name. You'll be able to boast a ton of sparkle, making it an absolute prime choice for a contemporary ring. Like the name implies, it's absolutely royal. By far, the most popular stone is the classic round cut engagement ring. The driving factor is that the circular shape maximizes the stone's fire, making it one of the shiniest and most iconic cuts. No matter the setting, round shapes are for the bride who wants something timeless and classic. Round cuts might be the most popular, but oval stones are gunning for the top spot. The brilliance factor is similar to round stones, but the elongated shape is unique and gives the illusion of a longer finger. Go for this shape if you're looking for a ring that's just as shiny as a round cut, but want something different than the norm. Shop all of these shapes and more at Gents.com.